Okay, so this is my friend's shirt from school that I still haven't given it back to her. My backpack has my laptop in it, which I'm probably, or Bailey's laptop. I'm gonna keep that in there. I do need to, oh my gosh, stay. It's not gonna stay, that's fine. I need to wash these, so I'm going to put them in my laundry pile that I have not done yet. So that needs to be washed. This needs to be put away. That down there needs to be put into the drawer. So I'm probably going to start with that because it's definitely more amusing than putting clothes away. Or should I put my clothes away? I should probably put my clothes away. I'm going to do that real quick. All right. I'm going to bring this giant container over. Some of this stuff, I don't even know what I'm going to do with. Some of it's Christmas. So I'm going to have to put that in my Christmas box. So I got to fit this whole thing into that little drawer. Hopefully it will work. Before I even start though, I see this and I really want to plug this into my wall. I had it, but I didn't use it at my house just because when my cat was sleeping in my room, I didn't want him to, like, this be the only thing he was smelling. Is this gonna focus? You know, it's just like really strong, but since he kind of wanders at night, I can put it in my room now. Okay, so this is from Bath & Body Works. It's in the scent Cider Lane. Can you even see that? Sorry, my nails are so gross. Getting them done on Wednesday. There we go. Okay, I hope this works. Oh, you gotta twist it in the opposite way of what you think you do. Okay, so the only plug I have is legit. Oh my god, I thought the computer was gonna fall. Is legit under here. I don't know if that plug works. Do you work? I don't know. Let's test it out. Okay, I'm gonna plug this. I'm just casually sitting underneath my vanity. Let's plug that in. Don't explode. Oh, it does work. Okay, but I don't think I can put these in sideways. It says keep upright. Oh, darn. Okay, I guess I can't put this in my room. That sucks. What the heck? I'm gonna go put this in the bathroom because it's already open. I feel like if I plug it in here, somebody's gonna unplug it. Whatever. I'm gonna plug it in anyways. There we go. Okay. I hope that works. There we go. You're welcome. Also, I have a doggy door because I want my cat to be able to come in here and not be attacked by a million dogs that are in my house. Oh, I have a new dog, by the way. I will show you him later. It's my mom's dog. He's an Afghan and he's adorable. But we are going to attempt to organize this. And I'm going to kind of walk you through some of my favorite candles that don't burn anymore because I'm too afraid that they're going to be discontinued. All right, let's get started. So this is how pathetic I am. I literally scraped these out from the bottom because they weren't burning anymore, so I can use them in my little elephant there because he burns like wax. This one is amazing. It's like pumpkin cheesecake something. Oh my god. It smells so good. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of my fall videos that I used to film in my spare room at me and Bailey's apartment. Yeah, that's what this smells like. I think that was like 2016 because yeah, this was burning in every one of those videos. Bath & Body Works, bring this back. I want this so bad. Anyways, there's no way I'm getting rid of these. I didn't even label them. Who am I? But I'm gonna keep these. Probably gonna leave them there. Can I like prop you somewhere? Oh my god, this is perfect. You're like sitting on the edge of my bed. Okay, what do we have in here? I have sweater weather. This is the Christmas one. It's a staple. Everybody needs a sweater weather in their life. Welcome, which is mahogany balsam. These are all Bath & Body Works, by the way. I went through a huge Bath & Body Works phase and only wanted Bath & Body Works for Christmas. And I just love their stuff. I mean, I work there, so I should probably like their stuff. This is Leaves. It's good, but it's a little much sometimes. I bought that last fall, I think. We have Fresh Sparkling Snow. This one's nice. It's very fresh. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like 2015. All of these scents. I love how like smells remind you of like a certain time in your life. Bow Ties and Bourbon. This one's nice. It's a little bit more of like a musky scent. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Perfect. I can fit 5 down. This one is just one by Avon. I'm gonna put this in the other side. There's a gift. What is this? Oh, I love this one. Chestnut and clove. Oh my god, there was dust in that. I just sniffed a bunch of dust. This one's good. I think I have a second one of it somewhere because I really liked it. This is probably my favorite Bath & Body Works candle, and I haven't been able to find it again. It's called Cozy Cabin. Oh my god, I wish you could smell it through the lens. Like, it's just such like a warm smell, but like it's not sweet. I don't even know. I don't even think I can find like the notes of it. If I find it, like I'll put it somewhere on the screen, like what it's supposed to smell like. Oh my gosh. If you know another candle that smells similar to Cozy Cabin, this was out in like 2015, I think. Let me know. It is actually my favorite Bath & Body Works candle, and that's pretty steep to say. What are you? Oh, you know what this is? The label isn't on it because I accidentally broke the candle. I didn't. My friend did. We were in the car. I had my Bath & Body Works bag by the door. She opened the door. Bath & Body Works fell everywhere. The candle broke. I was gonna get this for my friend Ravi. So Ravi, if you still want this candle, let me know. But there's no label on it. I cannot tell you which scent this is. I think I got you like a, what was it? A shower gel or something that was in the same scent. It was something summery. But do you think I can remember what it is? Absolutely not. What else we got? Warm vanilla sugar. Not the biggest vanilla fan, but I mean, anything from Bath & Body Works is good. Dashing Through the Snow. I love this one. It's very Christmassy, but not too like pine needle-y. Like, it's kind of more like a musky scent, kind of. I don't really know. I love this. I remember this and Fresh Balsam were like the 2 candles that were left Bath & Body Works during Christmas a couple of years ago. Nobody wanted them, and they were my favorite. I loved it. I picked up a couple. Dashing Through the Snow's Boxing Day because they were still there. Black teakwood, very similar to mahogany teakwood. It's literally the exact same candle, but definitely a staple. Okay, where are the other ones? What is this? Bergamot Waters. This one? One second. I feel like this is the exact same candle. Oh no, they're not. Bow ties and bourbon smell similar. I think somebody told me that this one smells like Cozy Cabin, or it might be a different one. I'm losing my sense of smell. I mean, kind of, but like Cozy Cabin is impossible to copy because it's so perfect. All right, my last 3 wick, I think, is another Avon one. It's Holiday Spice. All right, so you can go right there. Thank you. Where did the other one go? I had it. Oh, it's in there too. All right, so here's all my 3 wicks so far. I do have a couple up there which I should probably switch out. Like, I'm gonna take this one. This one's Winter. I'm gonna put Winter away. Alpine Cheer. He kind of gives me a headache. I guess I don't know why I called it a he. Kind of gives me a headache, but I love it. It's so good. I'm gonna keep that, but I'm gonna put it down here. I'm gonna keep a Mahogany Teakwood. Campfire Donut, I guess, can go away. I need like more. Oh my god. If I drop one more thing, I'm probably going to die. Oh my god. Oh, there's a ghost in my house. I need to take out more candles. You know what? I'm gonna take out the vanilla. We're gonna put a vanilla on my bedside. We're also gonna take out a sweater weather, even though it's Christmas, whatever. I like having like a whole bunch of candles out, but like I really don't have that many summery scents because I don't really like them as much. Bergamot Waters? Yeah, why not? Alright, that's good. I'll just have 4, I guess. This is gonna be the longest video ever, and my camera's already flashing, and we're not even done yet. Alright, my aunt got me this. I have not had a chance to burn it yet, but it is going to go back here because I will eventually burn it. I have a candle holder. I guess I can shove one of my candles into it so that it can sit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A couple lids that I didn't want to get rid of because they're so cute. Let's shove them in there. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with this candle, flannel. Oh my gosh. I have like another one there, and I probably have another one somewhere because, oh yeah, right there, that's another flannel. Because when I was obsessed with this, I got the really tiny one, and then I got this one, and they didn't have any 3 wicks at the time, so the next year I bought like a ton of big ones, but this year I just bought like, not this year, but like that year I just bought single because they didn't have any bigger ones. Honestly, I love it, but like it's not my favorite anymore, and that makes me really sad. I don't know like what changes in your scent preferences to make you not like them anymore. Not like I don't like them anymore, but it's just not my favorite. Oh my god, this one was really good. See, I keep these because I don't want to forget about them. This was Lakeside Sunrise. You can kind of smell it. This one was really nice, so I'm gonna keep it anyways, just in case it ever comes back and I don't want to forget the name. What is this? Ginger Blackberry Sparkler. Pretty good. Not my favorite though. Oh, I have cedarwood. Remember when like everybody bought these? These were so cute. This is what my Bath & Body Works obsession started with, was these little babies. Look how tiny. Sweater weather, cute. Oh, this one's nice too. Cedarwood. It smells like something else that I know. I can't put a name to it though. What else do we have? Eucalyptus mint. Oh my gosh, it smells like a new bar of soap. Eucalyptus mint though, the other ones don't smell like this. This actually smells like a new bar of soap. The other eucalyptuses are just very like minty. Doesn't smell like this. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I have some clear containers in the bathroom. I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna let my camera charge because I've already been filming probably for 10 minutes, and I don't think I'm gonna edit this out because this is just like, this is quality content. Not really, but I probably just won't edit it. I'm gonna let my camera charge for a little bit because it's flashing. I'm gonna organize some of this, and then I'm gonna come back and kind of like give you a little tour of my Bath & Body Works collection. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is what my drawer looks like right now. I feel so productive, and I know this seems like a lot, and it obviously is, but just a really quick like pro tip: if you shop in Bath & Body Works, they have sales all the time. Like, don't ever buy things full price because they have amazing sales. I'm not just saying that because I work there. Obviously, I make zero money telling you guys that, or commission or whatsoever. This is my collection. Wait. These have to be in here. So quickly, I'm just going to show you like what I have really quickly because that would take forever if I showed you everything. We already went over all the candles. I found these clear bins in my bathroom. I had bought them a couple months ago and they were in one of the drawers. Stephanie, I sold them from you. If you're watching this, thanks for the view. But I stole these back, so I'll get you other ones if you need them. But this one, I just have like the leftover wax that I showed you, and then I have some of the mini candles, and then the single wicks here. Behind there is just like random supplies that I'm going to be using for school. Over there is just something for my rabbit, and then oh, those are me and Bailey's tickets for a Christmas present my dad got us a couple years ago. Those are just in there because they haven't been used yet. These are all of my body lotions. I only have one shower gel, but these are literally all lotions. I'm obsessed. Some of my favorites are obviously Winter Candy Apple. I love that. Twisted Peppermint is awesome. I don't know if they sell this one anymore, or if they'll be coming back with it, but Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm so out of breath. I'm so unfit. Pretty as a Peach. Fresh Sparkling Snow. Yeah, so those are just all my creams. And then these ones are like the minis. So I have some mini body mists. These are the Wallflowers and the plugs. Some hand sanitizers and little holders. And then these are all mini lotions that I have. I literally have a million Crisp Morning Air because they're my favorite. And they don't come out with a full size, which makes me so sad. But yeah. This one's my favorite. And again, Winter Candy Apple. I have so many Winter Candy Apple things. They're just so good. But yeah, they're just kind of messily in here. But at least they're all organized by like little drawer compartment things. But yeah, I'm so happy. This is everything that's going in my drawer. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. This is stuff that I'm putting in my memory box. This is stuff I'm gonna show my sister if she wants. And then that's all garbage. Well, this isn't garbage. This is gonna go whoop, in my memory thing. That stuff's all garbage. I should not throw out textbooks, but such trash. I hated taking French class. They can go in the garbage in the storage containers, going in the basement. Also, can I just show you? This is Shay, by the way. I'm saying that like she's my friend. This is Shay. Sorry, girl. That wasn't a very good pause to show you on. Look at. Oh, also, my pop socket, the top fell off. I'm so sad. I mean, it's because I've literally had it for 2 years and use it every single day. That's why it's broken. Look, I can like hook it on my bed and just watch movies. Not movies. Watch videos. Revolutionary. I am a revolutionist. Is that the right word? Yep, okay. Bartholomew, I see you. I see you. Don't mind my lips. I just took my liquid lipstick off and put on some lip gloss because it was just getting kind of like cracky and I'm like not used to wearing super matte lipsticks anymore. That was my sister's bug. Okay, I'm gonna go do some laundry. I'm gonna edit the video I just filmed. I don't know when I'll talk to you guys next. It'll probably be tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, before I forget, this is Loki. Loki, can you say hi? Here, come into the light, babes. Come here. Come here, Loki. Loki is he's a little bit over a year, I think, but he's an Afghan, so he's basically like a greyhound whippet kind of dog. Like that's what he technically looks like, but he just has really long fur and he's so sweet. He's so funny looking, but this is literally the nicest dog ever. He like jumps up and gives you hugs and comes in for cuddles. He wants to go outside because I just opened the door. You can't go out, you're a hound. You will not be back. And he's so cute, and he doesn't even smell like a dog. Like normally big dogs with long fur smell like a wet dog. He doesn't. He's so cute. Loki, what are you doing? You're looking at my sister's dog that's outside. Loki. Hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yoo-hoo. Hey, come here. I know you want to go out. Come here. I want to see if you'll do it. Loki, up. Loki. Will he do it? Loki, up. Nope. He doesn't want anything to do with me right now. Okay, goodbye. I gotta go edit a video. Do you guys want to be in my weekly vlog? Stephanie, do you want to be in my vlog?
Come on!
Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, look at him go.
I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to, when I'm lying close to someone else. You're stuck in my head and I could get you out of it if I could do it all again. I know I'd go back to you.